Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a 2019 Sea Ray 19-foot runabout. As you can see, this has the white interior. It also has a tower and a bimini attached. It has sea deck on the flooring. It also has a nice walkthrough, so you never have to step foot on the upholstery. Inside here we have cockpit infinity woven flooring. It comes in 3 strands, so it's easy to button in or out. Here in the bow, it's a nice big open bow. It's equipped with Fusion speakers. Of course, underneath each side seat there is storage, and in there, non-slip material, so again, you never step foot on the upholstery. This boat is equipped with a subwoofer, has the upgraded sound system, which sounds absolutely amazing. I'd say it's about 5 times the amount of music coming out from the regular system. It's very nice. Here in the co-captain chair, we have a nice little bench seat. This seat here can be stored under this seat if that person would like to have their feet down. Otherwise, it's a nice spot for 2 extra people. Here in the back, this bench seat, it's a fully insulated cooler underneath, as well as storage under that seat. Here at the helm, we got a nice captain chair with a flip-up bolster. This rig is powered by a Fusion head unit, as well as Fusion speakers. This boat is powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury engine. It's a Merc Cruiser, 4.5 liter. Perfect amount of engine for perfect amount of speed, get up and go. And we have some nice storage area there as well. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out what we have today.